This video is going to be the footage of me going through my photo walk. Meanwhile, I'll be on the voiceover trying to narrate the whole story. I woke up at 4 am in the morning so that I'm able to cover the blue hour time. Cause I think it's the only time when the light from both the sky and the streets are perfectly balanced and you can get the essence of both of them into your photos. I started by clicking some shots here and there, just trying to warm up and get myself into the mindset of making photos. Nothing interesting till now, just trying to warm up a bit. Moving on, as you can see, the sky has started to turn blue, and this is the time of the morning, which is exactly what I've been looking for. And so now it was time to make some actual photos. Saw this guy coming in on a bicycle, thought that those spotlights in the background will make up for a good composition. Kind of happy with these shots over here. Grabbed some more shots on this same location. Later, I went towards the intersection, and I think this place looked incredibly beautiful at this time of the morning. With all these street lights around the road, made some of my favorite shots of the day over here. As you can see, now the sun is up and the street lights have been turned off, so I had to think of some way to utilize this fog to make something interesting. And it was at this moment that I noticed this tree over here, grabbed a shot from the outside, was trying to utilize this fence as some kind of a foreground, the trees over it to frame it up. Well, the best thing about this fog is that it makes it extremely easy to isolate the subject. So I got a bit close to the tree, and after adjusting the angles a bit, clicked some more photos over here. Another set of photo that I'm really happy with. Later, I spotted a guy walking on this road, grabbed another quick shot right here. I think this one looked cool as well. Then I went inside this ground totally covered with fog. Thought I might find something interesting to shoot over here. Immediately saw this ladder totally surrounded by fog. I have no idea why it was there, but it definitely helped me make some few more photos. Moving on, I went towards the main building of my college. I had already taken few images here the previous year. I will show them on screen right now. So now I'll have to take something different this year. I ended up taking these shots, utilizing some different angles that I hadn't covered the last year. I think they look pretty cool as well. And by this time, it was already more than 2 hours of me walking around in the campus, and I was quite tired by now. Here are few more photographs that I had made. This was my first video, so I tried to keep it as short as I can. Do let me know in the comments if you want me to make more of these behind the scenes videos.